Should you be teaching money to kids? Absolutely. And here's the thing, especially when it comes to younger kids, you don't have to teach them complex financial concepts. Teach them your family values. Why are you spending money the way you are? Why are you prioritizing certain things? This is the start of those money conversations. And the more you do it, the more comfortable you'll be, and the better for everyone in the family. Talking about money will not raise money-grubbing kids. In fact, it'll most likely raise a kid who's curious, who wants to understand how the world works, and who's comfortable talking about money because it is an essential part of life. Take a look at the pinned comment for a full video on how to start those money lessons. I have a 4-year-old, and here are 4 ways I'm teaching her about money. 1, we are using play money to help her identify her coins and her bills. 2, we gave her a piggy bank so she has a safe place to keep any coins. 3, we assign her easy and straightforward jobs at home. And lastly, we read books about money. Start teaching the concept of what is money as well as the values around it. It's so easy for kids to just want for the holiday season. And this book that my daughter and I just read helps us teach and understand the meaning of giving during Christmas. It's about a boy who learns that there are some kids who don't get as much for Christmas. So he writes a letter to Santa, and Santa gives him a bag where he puts toys that he no longer loves so that other kids can play with it. This can be a great way to help teach your kids about letting go of things, decluttering, and appreciating what you already have. Find the book at your library and start a new tradition. If you're a parent, aunt, uncle, godparent, grandma, or grandpa, and you're still figuring out what to get the child in your life, consider contributing to their 529 college fund. Ask the parent for the contribution link and consider putting funds for the future. It's most likely a gift that will last longer than that toy that will get discarded in a second. Did you know that as a parent, you are more likely to teach your daughter to save and your son to invest, which contributes to the gender wealth gap? Help your kids grow wealth early by equally distributing pocket money, equally distributing chores, and helping them save and learn all about money and investing early on. Follow at Sisters for Fi for more money lessons that you can pass on to your kids. If you're a parent, aunt, uncle, godparent, grandma, or grandpa, and you're still figuring out what to get the child in your life, consider contributing to their 529 college fund. Ask the parent for the contribution link and consider putting funds for the future. It's most likely a gift that will last longer than that toy that will get discarded in a second. Did you know that you can contribute to other kids' 529 plans? This can be a great way to gift money that can grow over time to support future education expenses for the children in your family. Ask the parent for the gifting URL and start your contributions. You don't need to contribute a lot. Remember, small can add up. This financial tip is for my parents out there with teenagers who are getting part-time jobs this summer. Encourage and support your kids to open a Roth IRA. It allows them to save and invest their earnings, which can supercharge their money for retirement. If your child is under 18, you can open a custodial Roth IRA on their behalf. The Roth IRA is one of the most flexible investment accounts out there. Explain a video in the pinned comment so you can learn more about how you can supercharge your teen earnings starting today. Fidelity is offering your teen $50 if they open a Fidelity Youth account. Fidelity Youth account is very unique to Fidelity. It's for 13 to 17-year-olds, and they can take advantage of a brokerage account where they can invest with as little as $1, take advantage of no account fees or minimums, and there is a no-fee debit card that's attached to it. The account does require that a parent also have a specific Fidelity account in order for the teen to open it because it will be linked together. It could be a great way to help your teen learn more about money, learn more about investing. You have view access to all transactions, but the responsibility of managing the account is to the teen. A few other things to note: it's not an UTMA or a UGMA. It's also not a custodial Roth IRA. It's a true brokerage account, which also means it does count on the FAFSA.